Well, I think the comments from Japan probably lack teeth in my mind. Unless we see some coordinated intervention in FX markets, I think it's very, very difficult for policymakers to try and influence their currency, or in this case, the yen, in isolation.
So what is this going to be doing? Of course, we're looking at a strengthening of the Japanese currency, which has moderated a little bit since it passed 105 in yesterday's trade. What is this going to be doing to the Japanese economy, and what is the likes of the BOJ going to have to do in order to manage that?
Well, I think that the recent strength that we've seen in the yen reflects the general risk-off attitude that we're seeing globally. We saw 10-year bond yields yesterday in the U.S. fall quite sharply, 255-ish on the 10-year note. We saw a flight to safety to the Japanese yen. Seems to be exacerbated a little bit yesterday morning, where we saw, as you pointed out, a bit of a flash crash in the yen, which sent it soaring, or really a flash crash in the dollar against the yen, which saw the yen go soaring. The impact, though, of the stronger yen on corporates, clearly, if sustained, would be quite negative potentially for corporate earnings. However, I think that the broader backdrop in Japan is that we've got a situation of a significant improvement in corporate margins. So there might be some pressure on margins from that yen strength if it was maintained, but at the moment we remain reasonably comfortable with the outlook for the Japanese market.
Okay, let's talk about the dollar then over 2019. Are you expecting this year to be another year of King Dollar?
For the dollar trade weighted index, we do see the potential for continued dollar strength into 2019, maybe a little bit less than what we saw during 2018, as the differential between bond yields in the US and in the euro area narrow. But overall, given the outlook for growth, given some of that uncertainty, we think that the arguments are in favor of a moderately stronger dollar during 2019.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.